starting now.
Okay, sir.
All classes recording. Download the classes and upload in the Google Drive and share the Google Drive with us. So I will upload in my YouTube channel. Okay. The question was, what are the two functions of router? Yes. Saif?
Sir, it is routing lookup and forward lookup.
Forwarding lookup or forward lookup. Correct. Very good.
Forwarding, yes.
So what is routing lookup? Wait, let me ask this question. Yeah, let me ask this question to our Sultan.
Yes, sir.
What is routing lookup? What will happen in routing lookup?
Okay, they're using the using IP address. It will tell where the packet has to go, sir. So
Where?
I mean, which destination it has to go.
Okay, selecting the best route.
Yes, sir. Selecting the best route.
See, like that you say, selecting the best route.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Step number 1. Second function, what it will do after selecting? What it will do?
It will forward it, sir.
No. That is forwarding lookup.
It will go to the next hop, sir.
No, that is who will go? Router will go.
No, sir. The packet from the router it will go.
What router is doing? I'm asking. Packet is going, okay. Let him go. What
Yes,
router is doing is two questions here. One is when a packet comes in ingress interface, input ingress means in interface, right?
yes, sir.
First, it will see the destination network address and find
Yes.
the best route. Step number 1. Step number 2, what? There are
Okay. It will check
5
for
steps we are going to discuss.
Yes, sir. It will check for which is that which is that interface to which that from where you can go to the
Okay, that is also finding the best route. Okay, what are the best route informations? Tell me.
Best route information, sir.
Okay, now it is finding the best route, right? So what all the things it will find out for the destination? What all the information it will find out? If others knows the answer, you can answer in the chat window. If others knows the answer, you can answer in the chat window. So I'm seeing the chat window also parallelly. So you can give answer in the chat. The question is, when router is selecting the best route, what are the informations it is gathering? Router for the destination network, for a destination address, what are the informations router will gather? What are the best route informations? You understand the question?
Okay, so what are the things that will
What are the
decide
information? What are the decide what the metric hai na? I'm not talking about metric or something.
Okay,
I'm asking you what is the router, like for example, you want to go 192.168.0 network /24. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now for that, what are the informations router will gather for best route? What is the information it will gather to go to 30.0 network?
Which area it is, like autonomous
Which area?
Autonomous area.
Autonomous area.
System, autonomous system.
Router will gather autonomous system. Okay. After that, what it will do after knowing the autonomous system?
And it will check in which which part of the network that particular IP address is located or situated, sir.
Okay. Everybody write down this. Okay. See why I am teaching this is very important for me. Basically, router function. One. Route lookup, like Saif said, na? Route lookup, forward lookup, or forwarding lookup. Okay. Now route lookup means what? 1. Selecting the best route. When a packet comes, no, selection of best route. Right? When a packet comes to the router, first it select the best route. Now when I say best route, what is mean by best route? Okay. Now this is the destination network address, for example. Okay. To go to the destination network address, what all the information it will find out? The router will find out. For example, destination network is 192.168.30.0/24. You want to go to this. So what information router will find out? Select the best route means what it will find. How it will say, okay, this is the best route, go. So for that it will give two informations. One is next hop IP address and what? And Sultan told that exit interface. Correct? Sultan, you said the exit interface, remember?
Yes, yes, sir.
So now I'm going to tell, for example, you want to go to the next hop is 192.168.20.2 and the exit interface is in R1. You take
FA0/.
for example, SA0/0, SA0/0, something like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the first function. Second function what? In route lookup. Put route information where?
In the routing table, sir.
In the routing table. Next. Tell me. So what is the command to see routing table?
Show IP route.
Everyone?
Show IP route.
Show IP route, very good. Okay, like good. Got it. Next step. Let's see. Now again, now the best route is available. Now the packet has to go right. We have to send the packet. So first what we'll do for that? Okay, I'll ask Apeksha. Apeksha, to send a packet, what all things are required?
Send the destination address, sir.
What address? I want to send the data. So what all things I need to set? What all things I need to add to send the data? It's a region CCNA, na? So what all things we add with the data to send? Or sending, no? What are informations we need to add?
Destination address, sir.
What address?
IP address.
Destination IP address. Okay.
It should go.
That's it, huh? Anything else you are not adding? So L4 header, L3 header. Okay. L2 header, L2 footer. I want everybody to study all these things and come, because in CCIE level, no, we don't teach all these things. When you go to CCIE classes, no, we don't teach all these things. But as I told you, I'm just giving refresh for you. So basics, because I want you to teach something like some basics for you. Okay. Now L4 header, what information we are adding? Pexa, you know that?
IP address.
Wrong answer.
L4. Sir, port number, sir.
What port number? Source port number.
Source port number.
Destination port number. L3.
IP address.
IP.
Source IP, destination IP.
See, when you're sending a letter from and to, you put, right?
Yes, sir.
Source MAC, destination MAC, and this is your CRC. Okay, see, what is CRC? Cycle redundancy check. When I'm sending a data, receiving end, right? He will verify that. You will verify that
whether there is any error or not.
Any error or there, error detection. Okay, for that we use this code. It's basically EDC, error detection code. Okay. Now this is physical address. Right, this is logical address. If you have any questions, you ask me this. Okay. This is port address. Okay. What is the use of physical address? Tell me. So I'll ask what we do with physical address? Yes, you can answer in chat window if you know, or you can tell me. See, 3 addresses there, no? Each address is used for something, right? So what is the use of physical address? Example, what is the physical address example?
MAC address.
MAC address. Okay. Logical address, you know, IPv4, IPv6 address. Port address like 80,
Port
443. Like this is the port numbers. Port address 80, 443, like that. Okay. Now, what is where we use physical address, or what is the use of physical address? Give me one purpose of one use of physical address. Logical address, port address. Tell me where we use this physical address. See, when I am sending a data, I am not just sending data. I'm going to send with the data so many extra informations. Okay, like for example, Wireshark. Okay. Now in CEH also we studied that. I'll show you that. Okay. See, stop करो, TCP filter करो. Again, ना? देखो. Now take this. This is your LLC. This is your MAC. You can see MAC layer, source MAC address, destination MAC address, and this is your L3 IPv4. IPv4 में source IP, destination IP. Then TCP. TCP what will be there? Source port, destination port. Able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Able to see that? So what data I am sending now? Right? For example, I'll do one function for you. Then you can see that one application I'll run. I'll start a new application. I'll just do one small ping. Okay, what is ping will do? Ping will
Check the connectivity.
L1, L2, L3, L4 connectivity it will check. Right? Now how it is checking? It is sending a ICMP packet. ICMP request and the reply will come. Okay.
Yes.
Now 192.168.1.3 is my IP address, my PC IP address is pinging to 8.8.8.8. Source IP, destination IP. Right? I'll open. See, this is the MAC address. My MAC address is what? 18C04D, like that. What is destination MAC address? AC37. Right? This is my source MAC, destination MAC. Right? And what is the L4 protocol? Tell me. Let's see.
ICMP.
ICMP, very, very important, not TCP. Okay. Then what is the message it is sending?
Hello packet. Huh?
See, it is the message ABCD.
ABCD, sir.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
You can also check this. You can also install in this Wireshark. It's a free tool only. You can install and verify this. Okay. So,
Yes.
so actually it is ABCD, right? See, I changed it to hexa views. Actually, it will be like this. It will be in hexa view. I changed it to binary view to show to students. By default, it will be in hexa view, hexadecimal view. Okay. So if you change bits, no, it is exact bits which is changing. Understood? You got it right?
Yes, sir.
So actually, I'm sending ABCD. To send ABCD, what all things I'm adding? I'm adding source MAC, destination MAC, source IP, destination IP. Then, if I'm using
Port
TCP,
number.
means source port, destination port, TCP header. In ICMP, we use something called type and code. ICMP. Okay, we studied in CCNA and CH, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go back to this. Now where we use physical address, where we use logical, where we use port address. The answer is physical address is used for switching. I want to switch up, I want to forward, switching or forwarding. I want to forward a packet from one location to another location, one machine to another machine. What address I'll use?
MAC
MAC
address.
address.
Physical address, MAC address, right? I want to find the best route for routing. What address I'll use?
IP address.
Logical address. IP address, correct. Logical address, right? I want to identify the application, or I want to keep the data separate. To identify application, right? Or to keep the data separate. Right? What we use?
Port number.
Port numbers, right? Like for example, I say 80 means it is HTTP server, HTTP application. 443 means HTTPS application, right? 2021 means FTP application. Like source port 192.1 some number is this is the source IP, source port. So what is the use of source port? Source port is used for keep the data separate. Destination port, where we, for what purpose we use destination port?
It shows that it will go to the same application.
No, correct. To identify the application. See, now when I'm going to a server, the server is having FTP server, if the FTP service, DNS service, the server will have multiple services, correct? Now the packet is going. Now which application the packet has to go? That time it will check the destination port. Now the packet is coming back to me. I am open to so many pages, so many applications, right? I send a packet, reply is coming. Now how the packet knows that, okay, this reply is for this application? That time it will use source port. Understand? Destination
Yes,
port to identify application, source port to keep the data separate for each session, each application. Okay, Apex, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next. Now, if you understand this, I'm going to talk about forwarding lookup. Okay. Now, what will happen in forwarding lookup is, as I told you, I want to send a packet. When router is there, for example, there is a router here. This router, one packet came. This is my incoming inbound interface. Now it has multiple cables connected. Right? R1, R2, R3. Right? Yes, 0/0/0. Or I'll put like R2, R3, R4. So different routers it is connected. Now this is your LAN. So this is FA0 or gig nowadays, gig 0. Okay. Now this is S0, S1, S2. And this is R2, sir, which interface S0, S0, for example.
Yes,
Or let me put the gig only. Nowadays there is no serial elsewhere. I'm working in bank now. No serial, all gigabit ports only.
yes, sir.
No serial ports. It's gone. So gig 0. Okay. Now tell me, a packet came from R1 to LAN to R1 gig 0. Okay, let me put this gig 4 then. I've already put gig 0 this side. I'll put here gig 4. Gig 4 it is coming. Now the router has to select the best route. Okay. Now what router will say is, first it will tell, for example, the IP address is, this is 192.168.12.0. This is 30.0. You are the administrator, you are telling the best route is R2. Okay, so you want to go to, now destination network address is
12.1.
12.1 इधर अंदर ही है ना?
12.0.
नहीं, वो तो है ना already. 12 is directly connected. See, when something is directly connected, why you need again route?
Yes, sir, correct, no?
Not okay. So that will be देंगे ना? Okay, which is not there in this top, not there.
Okay.
So you want to go there. Okay, what is the next hop? You are the administrator now, understand? You are the administrator. You are going to tell this details to the router. I'm not using any routing protocol. I'm not using any routing protocol. I am telling the
Route. Route.
best route information to the router, and I'm putting in the routing table. Understand? That is called
Yes,
static routing. Static
Okay.
routing means administrator will
Configure
find
the
the best route information and put it in the routing table.
Routing.
Okay, right. Now, so what is the next hop IP address? R2 means 12.2, for example.
12.2.
Chalo. Now, what is the exit interface?
Gig 0.
Is 0. Till now, all clear?
Yes, sir.
Just give Y in the chat window.
Yes, sir. Why, sir?
Y. Okay, Sultan clears. Saib, all clear. Okay, good, very good. Now, now, the next step of router is forward lookup. Now, I know I want to go to 12.2. Router knows, but what is the
MAC address.
physical address to go to 12.2? Because I told you to forward, I'm going to use physical address. So MAC address.
Yes,
so finding
MAC address.
next hops,
Next stop.
next hop IPs, MAC address. Understand? No, okay, I'll ask a question to you. Let's see who's answering this. I'll start from Apexa. Apexa, tell me how your router will find the next next hop's IP's MAC address. How it will find? Any idea? Yes, no. I'll give an example. I'll give one hint using barking dog. Let's see. You're able to remember that.
Barking dog.
I have one dog. It will bark.
I know, sir.
You know? You remember?
Yes, sir.
Apex, are you able to remember barking dog?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So I will tell your name. Where is your where are you staying? Which area? Huh?
Mathikere, sir.
Mattikere. Malleshwaram side, na? Mattikere.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will tell this dog, no? Mattikere, Apeksha, like that. Okay. Then what this dog will do, no? It will come and take a mic in auto, no? Take a mic and start shouting. Apeksha, I am Mattikere, Apeksha, like that he will start shouting. Full Mattikere it will shout. Full mic. Then you will come and tell, no, who is shouting my name? CCI is studying Apeksha, Mattikere Apeksha, like that she will shout. That dog will shout. Okay, in mic. Big mic speaker, loudspeaker. So now you will come and reply, no, yes, who is shouting my name? I am now this guy, no, dog will come and tell me, sir, she's staying in door number 7 in this like that. Understand? So then I will have a table. I'll update your name. Okay, Apeksha is staying in this door number, like that. So I know the area, I know the street, but I don't know the door number. Means what I will do, I'll give these details to one dog. What this dog will do, it will broadcast one to all. It will shout. Then whoever is giving reply, right? From the reply, it will update one table. So what is this dog name? Now tell me. There's a name for this dog. Can anybody tell me? I will give one address, it will resolute and give another address. I'm giving
ARP.
Yes, I am giving one address. What address? IP address. What it is resoluting and giving back to me?
MAC address.
MAC address. So address resolution protocol. Okay. So using R, right?
Okay.
Using R, I will update ARP table. Now in ARP table, like for example, this is 2222 MAC address. So what will be updated here? IP equal to 12.2 equal to MAC 2222. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this guy knows. Who knows? Router knows the next hops MAC address. Now
MAC
it has to
address.
send. But when the packet came from here, from the PC, what will be the PC? For example, PC's MAC address is this, and this MAC address is this routers. Okay, and the packet data came, right? How it will come? For example, this is my data. Okay, so for example, this is my source. Okay, let's keep like this. This is my source IP, destination IP. Never change. Okay, the whole packet routing process, source IP destination never changes. Okay, it will never change. Whatever source IP, destination IP will be same. Now source MAC. What was the source MAC when it started from PC?
0.
111, no?
0
Source
0.
MAC.
PC1
From
for
PC.
PC1, okay,
PC1.
000.
It is connecting to the LAN, right? From it is starting from PC1. For example, I put host. The host is starting where it is starting from this guy,
PC1.
and the source MAC is what?
2222.
Source
Source MAC 00.
00.
starting from 00. Now it reaches to where? Where it has to go from PC to
It has to go to R2.
R1. No. Next stop is R1.
Next stop is R1, correct.
Now where is your hometown? Your hometown, Apeksha? Bangalore
No.
only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yours? Saif?
Hosli Hill, sir.
Kadapa Raju. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Kadapa.
Kadapa Raju, right? So I saw some movies. I remember. So you want to go to Kadapa means you are taking physically you see logically you are in Bangalore, you are going to Kadapa. So logical address is Bangalore to Kadapa. Okay. Now physically when you are moving, right, you are taking a cab. Okay, you're taking a cab. What address you will tell to the cab person? You're going by train. Physically when you're moving to Kadapa, what address you will tell to that cab person?
I'll tell go to railway station.
Railway station or Kadapa? Kadapa
No,
house,
sir, railway station,
house door
sir.
number. Huh?
Railway station.
Now you tell me, you want to go to 30.0 network.
Yes.
Now you are moving from PC to 30.0 only, logically.
Yes, sir.
So 10.1 to 30.2. For example, you are moving from where? Source IP I'll give. Just to tell you. Source IP is what?
10.1.
10.1 to 10.100 I think. PC1 ka address. 10.100 to 30.2 something like that. Okay, you are going. 30.2. 0 is network address.
Yes, sir.
Right? You're going 30.2. Okay, now you want to move from this. For example, 30.2 is here. This is the network. It is here. So I need to reach here. So I have 3 routes for that. Okay, how many routes? 3 routes. 3 ways I can reach Kadapa. Understand? Now, what is the address you will tell to reach this? The next to when you are physically moving is next physical address. What do you say?
Next physical address.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Everyone understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me. Now Apeksha, tell me. PC1 wants to go to 30.0 network. What will be the next MAC? What is the next destination MAC address?
From PC1, sir. Now it is in PC1. I
So
should
the
tell.
packet is starting, host is PC1. The packet is starting from PC1.
Next it will be 1111.
Correct. Now it will reach to the where it will reach now?
R1.
The source IP destination IP will never change, right?
Yes,
Again,
sir.
the packet is in R1. Now what R1 will do? Tell me.
Now it will search for the where like which it will select which path to go now, sir.
Now which
R2.
path to go now? You tell me.
R2.
Why R2? R2 is there written in the router? No, you talk in the language of router now. Now what router will do? Router will select what? What it will do? Tell me. R2 is you are seeing diagram and telling R2, right? But router
No.
don't know R2.
No, now R1 should select the nearest router.
That is done. That's already done. No, statically we put, right? Below you see statically I gave the details. The route I have given. Can you see the PC below PC1 I gave the route? Can you see the route? Can you see the route here?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the route in the router.
Huh.
Now tell me, next step what?
Next it will go to R2, sir.
No, madam, it did not go to R2. That's why I'm teaching now. No, that's the topic we are studying now, right? Who will go to R2? Automatically it will not go, right?
Yeah.
Next step what? Now it knows that what is the what is written in that, read it.
Next hop IP is
Ah.
12.2.
Okay, now 12.2, right? What is the
Yeah.
exit interface?
G0.
Is a gig 0, right? Okay. Now what you will do next step? This information you get there, half is there. Next what you have to do? Step number 2 in router. Route lookup is done. Next, we got the best route information now, right? Next step what? Step number 2 in router. Router has 2 functions, no? Second function.
Yeah. Best route info in the routing table.
Done. This is routing table. Below I'm writing here. See, this is my routing table. Okay, I put that information now. Okay.
Okay.
Now done. This is statically I'm putting static route. I'm not using any routing table. I myself is putting. Okay. I use the command IP route command. Okay. Clear na?
Okay, sir.
Now next step what? After selecting this information, got the best route information. Next step what? Next function what?
Transfer the packets.
Yes, that step is there. No, transfer correct. But how do you do that? There are steps, right? That only I'm teaching now. Barking dog. Just now I taught you barking dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Step number 1 what? Okay. Now tell me what are the two functions of router? Tell me 2 functions of router.
Selection of best route.
No. 2 functions of router. Selection is next.
Routing lookup and forward lookup.
Yes. Now route lookup, forward lookup. Correct.
Yeah.
Now route lookup you told me. Selection of best to put the information best to inform. Next you tell me forward lookup. What will happen in forward lookup?
Forward the packet, sir.
No, madam. Steps. Are you able to see my screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Now just read that. What is written in the screen now?
Where, sir? Like which? Where? What should I read?
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Forward lookup.
Update app table.
उसका ऊपर क्या है? Update app table. Above that.
Hop IP address, MAC address.
What is the MAC address? MAC address, tell me. For R2.
2222.
Correct. Now that I am going to update in the
app table.
So in IP, for this IP, what is the MAC? I'm updating, right? So IP is what? 12.2. I want to go to 12.2. So what is the MAC address of that?
2222.
Now what I need to do? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what I need to do? I need to do something called frame rewrite. What I'm going to do? So what I'm going to do? I'm going to change the. What I'm going to change?
Frame.
I'm going to change the source MAC and destination MAC. Change source MAC and destination MAC. Okay. Now what is the source MAC I'll put now in the packet? Okay, I'll ask this to Saif. Saif, tell me.
Yes, sir.
What is the source MAC you'll put in the packet now?
Source MAC is 111, sir.
Wrong answer. So remember this, okay? That's why I asked this question. Source MAC or source IP is always exit interface. When you ping, right? When you ping, what is the source IP? It will go.
Gigabit 0. Sir?
When you ping, what is
sir.
your source IP? Destination you are typing 192.168 something you are typing destination IP address.
Yes, sir.
But what is the source IP address? It will go when you ping. From which interface the packet is going out? That interface IP is source IP.
Yes.
Same way here, I'm going to send it to destination MAC is what? Where I'm sending destination MAC?
R2 gigabit, sir. 222.
2222. So source
Yes.
is what?
Source will be R1 gigabit 0.
0. So for example, this is my, for example, AAA. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is my, remember this, okay? So always remember source MAC, this source IP. If anybody asks you what will be the source MAC or source IP in interview, you just say exit interface ka MAC address or IP address. So the exit interface is gig 0 here. So the MAC address of gig 0 is AAA. And where it is going now? 2222. Right? Now we updated this. Rewrite the frame now. Next step what? Step number 4. Send packet in exit interface. This is the way switch router works. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes,
Any
sir.
questions, Apeksha?
No, sir.
Now, if anybody asks you why I teaching you so depth, because when I'm going to teach firewall, all these things, no, you need to be clear on this point, because I'll tell you forward looking, route lookup, you must not get confused.
Okay, sir.
Okay, clear now, right? Routing is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next I'll ask the question of switch. So what is the function of switch? Yes, I'll ask somebody like, yeah, I'll ask Sultan. What is the function of switch, Sultan? What switch will do when a packet comes to switch?
Sir, forwarding, sir. Forwarding and switching. Switching and forwarding.
Switching and forwarding. Okay, when the packet comes to switch, tell me packet level, what switch will do?
It will check for which MAC address the packet is coming for, sir.
Which MAC source or destination you're telling?
It will check for the destination, sir.
It will check the destination, that's it. Directly.
No, sir. First,
See,
whenever
if
I'm
you don't
sending a
know
packet,
this, no, if you don't know this, you will not understand MAC flooding attack. Okay, let me ask you directly. You are CS student, no? Tell me what is MAC flooding attack?
Sir, CAM table is filled with a lot of MAC addresses.
Correct, no? So why CAM table is filling?
Sir, because of the spoof MAC addresses are being added.
No, why it is filling? What is the function of switch? Why it is filling there?
Sir, if I connect on laptop or any device to the switch, sir, it will update that particular.
It will update. Who will update? Switch will update.
In the switch, it will
automatically
update.
It will update.
When I connect or when I send the packet, sir.
When you're sending only, it's not connected. When you send, what you are sending?
Packet like.
Okay, one packet you are sending. Now tell me what will happen.
So when I send the packet, it will take from which port it is coming, and for that port it will alert the MAC address, sir.
Okay.
What is the MAC address?
Which port? Source port and
source port and that MAC address.
What MAC address? Source
host MAC address. Host.
Okay, PC's MAC address, correct? But source MAC address, destination MAC address.
Source
what
MAC
it will update in the CAM table?
Source MAC address.
Simple example. Remember, when you go to police station, night you are seeing movie and coming, right? Police will stop you. First question, what police will ask?
Where were you?
Ellinda barta idira, right?
Yes, sir.
First source only, then destination elli hogbeku, right?
Yes, sir.
Like that. Remember this step. Okay. So now source it will update first, then destination.
Yes, sir.
Now destination when you check, destination is not there. not there in the camp table, what the switch will do?
It will drop, sir.
It will drop.
No, it will send it in all the it will send it in all the ports, sir. If it is not there,
It will not there means we'll send it to.
Sir, basically when if it from one port it will come, no sir, it will check in the all the ports, sir. If that it is not there, it will drop, no? Drop, I think, sir.
Okay. So what do you think about, what do you say, if the destination is not there in the switch, what switch will do, Apeksha?
It will drop the packet, sir.
It will drop the packet. Okay. What about you, Saif?
It will broadcast.
Yeah. What we call that name? There's a name for that terminology.
Terminology. Yeah. It will broadcast to all, right?
No,
sir?
broadcast
Except
multicast is PC. Switch has one name. PC in PC we can say broadcast multicast.
I got it.
So what is the name of that? Sending to all the ports. Correct answer. See, destination MAC address. Okay. First option 1. Not available in camp table. Right?
Yes, sir.
What it will do?
Okay, if it is not available in camp table, sir. Okay.
Now you understood?
I thought it is not there in the connected to the switch only.
Okay, both are same only, no?
How you will get back?
No, sir, if that the MAC address is not there only, even in the
Correct. When you connect only,
not
it will be there,
connect
no?
only. If you send the packet only, we will come to know, sir.
Okay, you are connected only, you are sending a packet only, you will come to know, right? Now it is not. See, forget about connecting, not connecting. In the CAM table, destination MAC address is not there. What switch will do?
It will send it out in all the ports.
What we call that?
ARP, sir.
ARP.
Broadcast वो correct है.
Broadcast PC का terminology.
Sir, forward.
Yeah,
Forwarding,
I got it, sir.
Not forwarding is next option.
Broadcasting.
No, not broadcasting. Okay, what is the attack name? I started with an attack, right? What is the attack name I told?
MAC flooding. MAC flooding.
That is the name. Frame flooding.
Frame flooding.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Terminology. Okay, next option. Destination MAC address is broadcast. Example FFF. Right?
12F.
12F. So what it will do? First step number 1 is what? Update switch port, source port number and source line CAM table. Okay, done. Next step number 2 is what? I'm going to see the destination MAC address. The destination MAC address is option 1. If it is not available in the CAM table, I will flood the frame flooding. Option 2, if the destination MAC address is FFFF, what I will do?
It will broadcast to all except source port.
यार उसका नाम बोलो.
Frame flooding.
Frame flooding, sir. Correct.
नाम वही है ना. Option 3. Now available in the CAM table. Then what will happen?
Only to that port it will send, sir.
Unicast.
Unicast again PC language.
Forward, sir.
Correct. What forwarding?
Frame forwarding.
Frame forwarding.
Correct. Got it? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You go to Pani Puri shop. You say Pani Puri. You say no Maida, Rava. He will not give. Correct. All are made in Maida, Rava, Goduma. That only, no.
Yes, sir.
See, but there is a terminology for pani puri, no? Masala puri, pani puri, samosa puri. You know, like that. Each has its own terminology. Then when you speak that particular terminology only, they will believe you. Okay, that you are expert in pani puri. You know.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is
Yes.
frame forwarding? It will have a using what? Using switching fabric, right? Remember that.
Switching
Yes.
fabric. Yes, sir.
There is a fabric available for what it do for each packet. No, we create a separate bridge. That's why we called it's a bridge. Switch is a bridge. Okay, so it will create a separate bridge for each packet, so there will be no collision free network. Now, what is MAC flooding? Now, tell me. Okay, I'll ask Apeksha. Apeksha, you studied, no? CH? You know what is MAC flooding?
No, sir.
Don't know. What about you? You said no, Sultan.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Answer. MAC flooding.
Sir, the CAM table gets over flooded with MAC addresses, sir.
Fake MAC addresses.
Duplicate MAC address.
Duplicate matlab same का duplicate. Yeah.
Fake, sir.
Fake.
Yes, sir.
Not spoofed, sir. Spoofed or whatever.
It's random MAC addresses.
Yes, sir.
Right word is we use that word random R&D in the command. If you remember in CH, no? Random MAC addresses. Fake random
yes,
MAC addresses. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there is a limitation of these tables. Like for example, 2048 entries. Of more than 2048 entries, no, the old one will go, new one will be updated in the CAM table. So after some time, what will happen? Per second, the attacker will send per second is 10,000 MAC address per second. I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
So 10,000 different source MAC address he will send the packet with what? Different source MAC address. So what will happen? This PC, this switch will have only
2048.
after that it will update 10,000 means how much it will be. Then only fake MAC address will be there in the CAM table. Now
Yes, sir.
any legitimate PCs want to go to legitimate PC which is there in the network. What switch will do?
We'll put to all the ports, sir.
Yeah,
It will forward in all.
terminology I taught you, no? Now tell Panipuri, no?
Frame flooding.
Frame flooding.
Very good. Now you tell Panipuri, Masala Puri, okay?
Okay.
Don't tell Godima, Rava, like that. So now frame flooding, right? What switch will do? Frame flooding, right? Now when it is doing frame flooding, everybody in the network will see the traffic. So automatically sniffing is happening.
Which will do.
Understand? Automatically sniffing is happening. Sniffing malum hai na? What is sniffing? Seeing others' traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
So instead of doing any span port, anything, no, just to do the MAC flooding attack. So then automatically switch will work like a hub. It will
Yes,
send
sir.
to everybody. All traffic will go to everyone. So just start Wireshark, you'll get everybody's traffic in the network. Understood?
Yes,
Just start
yes, sir.
Wireshark. Nah, you'll get everybody's traffic in your laptop. You can capture it. You understand the point?
Yes, sir.
This is called a frame flooding to collect the information. This is one type of attack, frame flooding attack. Okay, these attacks we are going to study. So that's why I'm teaching all the internal things of switching. Okay, done. Next I'll go. Now, what is the difference between, okay, what are the functions of next generation firewall? Answer in the chat window. Last class we studied this. It is there in the videos. Saif, today itself you upload that.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So she can study that actually. I want her to study this, whatever I taught, no? This
Okay. Yes, sir.
it's very big topic, no? We went through very deep level, this one. I will send you this. Okay, can you answer in the chat window? Anybody? What are the functions of next generation firewall? What it will do? We discussed about this last class. Apeksha, do you have any questions in this CCNA level? You want
No,
to discuss?
no, sir.
You can answer.
So
You can
last,
answer any question.
no sir, if I have doubts, I'll ask you, sir.
You want to prepare and come, okay? Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you prepare and come. So you send me a mail. You know my mail ID, no? Kumar6009.
Yes, sir.
Just send me a mail saying that these are the doubts I have. Okay, we'll have a session. So we will clear all the doubts. Everybody, I want you to go through this CCNA and CEH also, both CEH syllabus also.
Okay, sir.
Both of you, all of you, please go through the CCNA and CEH syllabus. Please let me know if you don't understand anything in that. I will clear you.
CH, you want me to know, study like all the attacks, sir, like how attacks they do, all that you want me to study now?
In CEH, in CCI security, the
Ah,
first topic is that only, CEH topic and CCNA. Okay, that's why I am covering all these things again. Okay, so you need to know all the attacks, all these things. If you know, it's okay for me. I have no issues on that. Okay, if you don't know, you please ask me, because you already completed CS. I'm not going to go teach all these things to you. I'm skipping this. You understand the point?
yes, sir.
I am going to
Like,
skip all these things. Yeah.
no, no, sir, I was not regular, like I had my college also. So I'll look into the CH syllabus once and I'll tell if
No
I have
problem.
any.
You ask me any questions in that, no issues. I'll answer
Uh,
that. Okay. Any doubts are there, you ask me in this also. So CCNA and CEH, please both of you go through. And last video, I covered about next generation firewall, this one. Okay, we went very depth on that. I taught CCIE level actually, not CCNA level. So that videos are available with Saif. Saif will share and share the YouTube link. Sorry, not YouTube, Google Drive link. Okay, download from Google Drive. Then once I got the Google Drive link, I will upload in my YouTube channel. I'll share in the YouTube also. Okay, I'll create a playlist for that.
okay, sir.
So once you can get from. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So next question. Okay, answer. Saif, tell me. What are the next generation firewalls functions? If you see the diagram also, you can tell me.
Which diagram, sir?
Just now I sent in the Skype.
This one. Okay.
What is firewall function? Tell me. Let me see. Start from there. What is firewall function?
Traffic monitoring.
Monitoring.
No, sir. Inspection, sir.
Inspection. That is firewall function. Okay, let's see. What is firewall function? Or Mr.
Salahuddin.
Sultan. Firewall function क्या है? ASA
Sir,
firewall. ASA firewall.
yes, sir. Packet filtering, sir.
That's it. Firewall function is what?
Packet filtering.
What is packet filtering command? You give ACL, access list. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now packet filtering comes in which layer?
Network layer, sir.
L1, L2,
L3,
L3.
L3 and
L4.
yes,
Hey, no.
port number.
L4.
See, when you write
L4,
access list, you write two things. One is MAC address, one is IP. This one.
IP and MAC.
IP and
IP
port
and
number.
port number.
Port
So
number.
L3 and L4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So basically, the firewall works in L3 and L4, and it's filter the packets, right? That is the nature of the firewall. That's it. Simple. Now, what is the function of next generation firewall?
Simple.
Application firewall, sir.
Application L7. Okay, very good.
L7.
Next.
L7.
Okay,
Deep
next.
packet inspection.
Deep packet inspection. Okay, very good. Next. What is deep packet?
It will open each and every packet and it will inspect, sir, what is happening.
Deep packet inspection. Deep packet inspection. Okay, next. Anything else? Can you able to see my screen, Apeksha?
Yes.
Yes,
Apeksha,
sir.
are you able to see?
It's not there, I think, sir.
Yes, sir.
You were there, na? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you're able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are discussing about next generation firewall.
Okay.
This is our first topic in CCIE. We are going to do this lab. So the lab starts from ASA. First, what we'll do? ASA firewall. Second, we'll do FTD. If FTD is next generation firewall. Okay, now the question is what all the next generation firewall will do? What firewall will do is basically L3, L4 packet filtering. What it will do?
Filtering.
L4.
Very simple answer. If anybody asks you what is firewall will do, L3, L4 packet filtering. Can you see this box, red box, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the function of firewall, ASA firewall. Okay, ASA they mentioned here. See. Now, what are the two engines we have in a FTD? Two engines. What are the two engines we have?
Snot and there's one more.
Snot.
Snot and one
Snot.
more.
Oh, okay, snot. I got it.
Snot engine.
Snot and
Icarus.
Icarus.
I don't know that name.
Below it is there, no?
Fast path.
Below.
Lena.
Ah.
Hmm.
Ina yaar, good name, no?
What is FTD, sir?
Firepower Threat Defense. It's written above C.
Okay.
This is the next generation
Full
firewall.
Yes.
Okay, in the video I've explained. Okay, sir, I'll see the video.
You're seeing the
No, you have explained this in the last class, no, sir? I'll see that I told.
no problem. You see that also. Now I'm just showing you. When 7 minutes is there,
Last
next
on the-
class.
We stopped last class.
So we stopped here, no? Last class, mein.
Yes,
So
sir,
next
yes.
class, what I am going to start next batch, next topic is this.
Okay.
Okay, next technologies, right? So for that, no, I want to start from this. You can see, understand defense in depth means what you know, right? Before, after this, I'll tell you. Now segmentation overview. This all like different segmentations, virtualization, stateful firewall. This all we're going to IOS based, zone based firewall, security intelligence. Okay, this all I'm going to discuss. This is the first presentation. I have total 11 presentations we have. Okay, whole CCI has total 11 presentations. So next class will be starting M1, module 1. Total 11 modules are there. That's it.
Okay.
Mainly technologies, ASA, FTD, email security, web security, VPN. That's it. These are the technologies we are going to study. Rest all I want you self-study only. I'm not going to do the full syllabus. I shared already. Did I share the full syllabus with you?
I think no, sir.
एक वर्ड एक PDF फाइल दिया था ना?
Sir, just a minute. I think yes, you gave, sir.
ये syllabus देखो.
You gave this.
Hmm?
You gave this, sir.
इसमें what I showed now is this one we are discussing now here. Now discussed about, right? Attacks. You see this left side now starting. Now I'm going to talk about. I'm talking about this part. This first is the left side. Okay, I will share this. You have this, right?
Yes, sir.
You got this? Apeksha, you got it, no? Syllabus.
Yes, sir.
So we just now I told you buffer overflow, recurrence attack. If you see the first one, no, till this Angular exploit kit, till here. This top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, you see these all are basically CCNA and CH. You go through this. This is the syllabus. That's why I told you. You go through that. Tell me. Now I'm going to start from defense in depth. This is our topic we're going to study. These all are self-study. You mentioned yes, self-study. Likha hai na?
Okay, sir.
So I'm just giving some idea for you.
Okay.
Now we are going to depth on the security technologies.
Okay, sir.
Now this is our next topic. So there is a presentation for everything. Till now I don't have any presentation. From security technology I have a presentation that I will share with you.
Okay.
Okay. This is the syllabus. And this is the presentation I'm covering now. Next generation firewall, email security, content, all these things, web content. DNS means what? AAA means what? Identity means what? Everything we are going to study.
Okay, sir.
That is the next topic. So this is our syllabus, today's syllabus. So basically CCIE syllabus. Okay, let's go back to this. Answer karo. Try to answer now. The question will wind up from this. Try to answer this. What all the functions a firewall can do? This FTD will do. Just see that and tell me what was written here. You can read. SI is written, no? NAT is written.
Yes,
You can
sir.
see, right? NAT. QoS is written. VPN is written.
Okay.
SNOT is written. File policy. AMP. What is AMP?
Advanced
malware
malware
prediction.
protection.
Antivirus. Okay. Then you see L7. Deep inspection. You said deep inspection. Remember? That is L7. L7 ACL is there. What it will check? Application and URL. Okay. So what a firewall will do, this FTD will do is, next generation firewall do is, when a packet comes inside this RX, and RX means in receiving end, okay? When the packet is receiving from this side, it will go like this. Okay, then it will go like this. Packet will go like this. Anywhere it is not matching, it will drop. Understand? If it is matching, it will go. Come like this and go like this and go out.
Go in.
You understanding now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Firewall packet is coming like this. Everywhere it has to pass. Okay. Then it has to pass. Finally it will go out. Anywhere mistake, it will drop there itself, the packet. Understand? So many
Yes, sir.
functions are happening in a
FTD.
firewall, next generation firewall, FTD. It has two engines. What are the two engines? SNOT and
Not and Lena.
Nina.
SNOT is used for IPS.
IPS. Sorry.
Lena is used for
IDS.
Firewall.
IDS.
IPS बोल रहा है. इसको क्या करेंगे? सैफ,
Sir.
IDS का डिफरेंस क्या है? IDS IPS का डिफरेंस.
So placing of sensor, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
दूसरा इंजन है. इंजन मतलब वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यार, OS. दूसरा OS चाहिए IDS IPS के लिए.
Nice.
No, sir.
So how do you differentiate IDS IPS?
Position of sensor, sir.
So where you keep your sensor, where you keep the device, you keep inline means all traffic will go inside and go out, right? Then it is
Yes.
IPS. If you keep the same device somewhere outside, like just monitoring that, no, that is IDS. Intrusion
IDS.
detection, intrusion
Prevention.
prevention. Okay, done. So then this is IDS IPS. For IPS we use SNOT engine. For IDS we use, sorry, for firewall we use Lena engine. Okay. So if you mention here, see, ASA OS is what?
Lena.
Lena engine. Understand? ASA is firewall, right? Adaptive security appliance. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Apexa, any questions? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so what you do now? You download the video and upload in the YouTube some drive and share the link. So in the WhatsApp, in our group only, Skype group, I will upload a YouTube channel. Okay. Then you can do it now, Saif. Today कर
Yes, sir.
सकता है?
हाँ sir, yes, sir.
कर दो वो. Or any questions? How was the class today? You able to understand? Apeksha?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You will understand. Huh? So you able to understand? So how you join this course?
Sir.
How you join this course?
My father's friend, sir. He told.
Fine. So this is basically CCIE course. Okay. This is these two people who is attending the classes are trainers.
Okay.
You may be knowing Saif already, no?
Yes,
Saif
sir.
sir, you know. So he's on another guy is also he's a senior trainer. Okay, another guy is Sultan is a senior trainer. So these people are trainers. So we are actually building this. I'm teaching them to actually build the labs. This course actually, this course is if you go outside and study, no, I studied this course right in institute is 1.5 lakhs it is.
Okay.
So outside you study the lab access, they will not give you no lab, nowhere will give lab access. Very difficult to get lab access. They will charge a lot of money, 5 lakhs together. That lab we are going to build now. Okay. Okay. Theory after theory, maybe after 5 classes, we will start building the labs. Okay. So this lab, if you study outside this course, it will be like more than 1 lakh, and the labs also will be like unlimited access. We'll get here now. And our institute will get unlimited access because we are the one we're going to build the labs from the scratch. Okay, once this is ready, then the training will go only 4 days or 5 days. There they will not give lab access also, just show you, that's it.
Okay.
Understand? So this is a good training. Don't miss it, learn it, it will really help you. This is the highest level of training in security. Understand? It's the topmost training in the security in the world. You got it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Very difficult to study, but if you put 100% effort, it's like something like you're doing PhD in security, like that. I'll give you a lot of yeah.
I have to look into the basics now, sir. Then
Yes,
I'll
this is CCIE level we are going to study, right? So you must be expert in CCNA and CH. That's a prerequisite, okay? Anyhow, I'll help you. I'm not going to fully going in like as I told you. This is a trainer level training only. I'm not teaching as a student. Understand, no?
Yes, sir.
These people are trainers, so I'm teaching in the trainer level only. So student means I will schedule the class, I will finish the class and on that time. You got no, you know my class, attended my class, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
This course will not go like this. This course will go slowly with the student trainers speed only. Understood? And we are going to build the labs from the scratch also. In real time, we will not do that. We'll be ready, ready, like iLabs. No, it will be ready like that. But here we will start from the scratch. We'll take a machine hardware se start karenge. Okay. Okay, that's it. So we'll wind up now. I think next batch started now. Next batch started. So I will start. Stop this batch. Next batch I need to start. Yeah.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. See you then. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll update you. If I'm doing a SD-WAN implementation, tomorrow I'll update you. If I'm free means we'll have the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyhow, you keep on checking every day 2 o'clock. Check our Skype.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. Bye.